In the previous video, we have talked about the different way of living in animals, because we know that all the animals are different from each other. In that part, we have talked about how different animals breathe through the different organs. Some animals breathe through body surfaces like earthworm and amoeba. Some breathe through the gills like all the aquatic animals. Most of the aquatic animals breathe through the gills. And the birds and reptiles, just like human beings, they breathe through the lungs. And insects like butterfly and grasshoppers, they are having air holes on their body. They are known as spiracles. They breathe through those spiracles. Then we have discussed about the body covering of animals. Different animals having different body coverings that help them to protect themselves according to the surrounding where they live. We have also talked about the movement in animals. We have talked about the land animals, how land animals move, that how earthworm contract and extend its body, और जो contraction और extension है that enables them to move. And we have also talked about that how the lizard and crocodiles crawl. They crawl using their short legs, and the horse, zebra and cow, they are having hind limbs and forelimbs. With the help of them, they are able to move. And today we are going to discuss the further parts of the movement in the animals. Now, next is animals. Next is animals that fly. Usually birds fly na, they are having wings and they are also having light body, and their bones are also hollow. And their body structure, जो body structure है birds का, that is streamlined. Streamlined means which is pointed at the end and broad at the middle. End से तो क्या हो, वो end से क्या होगा, pointed होगा, और middle में क्या होगा, काफ़ी broad होगा. That is streamlined structure. And that structure enables them to cut through the air. वो help करता है so that they can easily fly and cut through the air. And how their wings work, they move their wings up and down and move forward. And they use their hind limbs. Hind limbs means legs. They use them to walk, hop and to perch. Next one is animals that swim. We know fish, crab, frog. They sometimes frog sometimes live in water and sometimes that live on land na. So how do they show the movement? जो fish है, that their fins help them to, fins and muscles help them to move in water. और जो उनकी tail fin है, that help them to change the direction. They are also having streamlined body that is pointed at the end and broad in the middle. Next one is insects जो होते हैं, just like boatmen. An insect that uses its legs as oar to swim. वो कैसे यूज़ करता है, उनकी जो legs हैं, that it uses its legs as a oar. जो crabs हैं, they are having legs to move in water. Crabs की क्या होती हैं, legs होती हैं that help them to move in water. And we all know frogs are having webbed feet that help them to move in water. Ducks also uses their webbed feet to swim in water. So the next is feeding habits of animals. We all know different animals eat different food depending on the different type of mouth they are having, or we can say animals eat plants or other animals that can be classified into the different categories according to the food they eat. जिस टाइप का वो फूड ईट करते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट फूड वी हैव डिवाइडेड देम इनटू डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज हर्बीवोर. हर्बीवोर कौन से होते हैं, एनिमल्स हु ईट ग्रीन प्लांट्स और plants, the part of plants, they are called herbivores. Cow, goat, giraffe, they are the herbivore. They are having sharp biting and strong grinding teeth. उनके क्या होते हैं, sharp biting और grinding teeth होते हैं. और they are, or we can say they are having sharp incisors to bite the plant. उनके क्या होता है, sharp जो incisors होते हैं वो किस लिए होते हैं, to bite the plant. And flat premolars and molars to chew the food. और जो molars और प्रीमोलर्स होते हैं दैट हेल्प देम टू च्यू द फूड. दे आर नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ केनाइंस. एंड इन द सेम वे स्क्विल्स हैं जो रैट्स हैं, दे ग्नो देयर फूड. ग्नोइंग मीन्स टू रेपिडेटली bite of their food, that is called gnawing. They gnaw their food. So if they gnaw their food, they are having sharp front teeth, that is incisor, to bite off the food rapidly. Next one is carnivores. We all know carnivores are the animals who eat flesh of other animals. So if they are eating flesh, so they need sharp and pointed teeth na. So carnivores are having well developed tearing teeth. Flesh eating birds like eagle and vulture, they are having sharp beaks and claws to catch the other animals and to tear their flesh. और जो carnivores हैं, they are having very sharp and pointed canines to tear the flesh, and they are having broad premolars and molars to crush the bones. जो herbivores थे, they are not having any kind of canines, but carnivores are having canines to tear the flesh of other animals, and they are having premolars and molars to crush the bones of the animals. So the next one is omnivores. Omnivores, we all know, animals who eat both plants and animals. Next is omnivores. Omnivores, animals that can eat both plants and animals, are called omnivores. Just like bear, crow, cockroaches are some omnivores. Next one is parasites. Parasites, some animals live on or inside the bodies of other animals for their food. There are some animals वो क्या करते हैं, या तो दूसरे animals की body पर live करते हैं या उनकी body में live करते हैं, inside the body, or live on the body of other animals for the food. They are called parasites. And the animals on which these parasites depend for their food are called hosts. Let's say I am giving you one example. Let's say mosquito. Mosquitoes are having sucking tubes to suck the blood from the animals or human beings. तो mosquito क्या है, वो जो है blood suck कर रहे हैं, means for the food they are depending on the human beings or on the animals. So they are parasites. पर वो जिन पर डिपेंड कर रहे हैं अपने फूड के लिए, लेट्स से वो किस पर डिपेंड कर रहे हैं अपने फूड के लिए, ह्यूमंस पर या एनिमल्स पर, तो ह्यूमंस क्या होंगे, होस्ट होंगे. सो जिनकी बॉडी पर वो डिपेंड करते हैं फॉर देयर फूड, दे आर कॉल्ड होस्ट. और जो सक करते हैं ब्लड को और दे लिव ऑन और इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स, दे आर कॉल्ड पैरासाइट्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्कैवेंजर्स. स्कैवेंजर्स क्या है, एनिमल्स हु ईट द फ्लैश ऑफ डेड एनिमल्स. जो डेड एनिमल्स की फ्लैश को ईट करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड स्कैवेंजर्स, जस्ट लाइक जैकल एंड हाइना. Next one is butterfly. We all know butterflies are having long sucking tubes to suck the nectar of a flower, and those tubes are called proboscis. Next one is just like lizard, chameleon, frog. They are having sticky tongue to catch the prey, and that tongue is attached from जो एक साइड है उस टंग का, that is attached to their mouth, and second side is free. From that free side they can catch the prey. Next is migration. Migration क्या होती है, migration is the movement of either animals or people from one place to another, or we can say from one area to another area. Why do animals or people move? Animals जो हैं या people जो हैं वो move क्यों करते हैं, और वो ये नहीं है कि हाँ सिर्फ एक ने मूव किया तो दैट इज़ माइग्रेशन. जब मास मूवमेंट होती है, मतलब जब इकट्ठे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स जो है वो मूव करते हैं वन एरिया टू अनदर एरिया, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड माइग्रेशन. एंड वाई डू दे माइग्रेट, वाई द एनिमल्स माइग्रेट, दे माइग्रेट ड्यू टू द शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड, वेदर चेंज, और टू ब्रीड. जब क्या शॉर्टेज हो जाती है फूड की तब, या फिर वेदर चेंज हो रहा है इसलिए, या फिर उन्हें ब्रीड करने के लिए, मीन्स टू हैव बेबीज, दैट्स वाई दे माइग्रेट. So there are some animals who migrate. Birds जो हैं like Siberian crane और white stork, they migrate. Why do they migrate? Siberian crane जो है वो migrate क्यों करता है, because so that it can live in warmer region. वो क्या है, cold region to warmer region में move करता है because of climate change. जो white stork है वो भी weather change की वजह से move कर जाते हैं, but they move because they are not able to find the food in that colder region, so they move to the warmer region to find their food. जो नेक्स्ट है एल फिश है, वो क्या है, लिव करती है, कहाँ लिव करती है, फ्रेश वाटर में लिव करती है, और वो मूव करती रहती है किसकी तरफ, सी की तरफ मूव करती रहती है इन द डीप सी, सो दैट इट कैन ब्रीड और टू हैव बेबीज. नेक्स्ट वन इज लॉकट्स. जो इंसेक्ट है वो क्या करता है, माइग्रेट करता है, वो वन प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे माइग्रेट करता है, और वो इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ ग्रास हॉपर. ग्रास हॉपर की तरह ही होता है, बट ग्रास हॉपर के बिल्कुल थोड़ी सी फ्लाइट लेते हैं, मतलब थोड़ा सा ही उड़ पाते हैं ना, वो ज़्यादा नहीं उड़ पाते. पर जो ये लॉकट्स इंसेक्ट है वो क्या करता है, उसकी पावर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग पावर ऑफ फ्लाइट है. इट कैन मूव फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस वाइल फ्लाइंग. सो वो क्या करता है, कॉज डैमेज करता है काफ़ी सारी क्रॉप्स को. दिस सो दैट्स हाउ द एनिमल्स और birds move. So this was all about our chapter number 6. What you have to do, you have to read this chapter whole and try the book work.